Welcome back, guys. In this video we'll be looking at the for loop. Now let's just create a variable called 5, and right here we can say for. Now this will be the variable we just created. Now we've given it an initial value of 5, and if the variable is less than, let's say, 10, that's when the condition will fail. And right here we can just do echo out the variable. So this will be age. Let's just refresh this, and you can see it's 0, 1, 2, 3. And now when it gets to number 10, the condition return a false value, because we say this condition should run provided that the variable value is less than 10. So once the variable value goes to 9, going to 10, now this will return a false. And this is actually how you can do a for loop. And in the next video I'll show you guys how you can do a for each loop.